This is the Yialasi Hotel in Epidaurus in Greece. And it's like probably the most beautiful, best hotel I've ever stayed at. Enrico's there with this. They have so many olive trees around. This hotel grows their own vegetables, fruits. They have good food too, and near the ancient town of Epidaurus. There's an upper floor. Enrico wanted to watch the Olympics. So you can't see much outside at the moment, but I think in the morning it's going to be so beautiful to see, and that's the ocean, not the ocean, the Aegean Sea. Okay, first real day in the Peloponnese. It's 44 degrees. It's really hot, and we're going to, from Epidaurus, we're driving to Nafplio, not sure how to pronounce it. But we're we already took a swim in a swimming pool.
You must think about the hotel.
The hotel is really good, and Rico's very happy, and I'm very happy too. It's a very good hotel. Highly, highly recommended on TripAdvisor. We just went on TripAdvisor to choose. And we booked on booking.com. Look at all the olive trees. They have like orange trees and limes, lemons, kinds of stuff. We're in the countryside and in a place called actually Yialasi, not Epidaurus, but we're near Epidaurus town. And to go to the beach, we just have to walk down there. It's closer than I thought.
I'm waiting for you.
This is what the Peloponnese road looks like.
Oranges. All oranges.
Oranges, olives, like olive trees and oranges. Basically all you have. And
You guys, when you go to the supermarket, maybe you eat this orange. The fire department. Cats.
that was the fire department. This is Nafplio. Nafplio. I don't know how to pronounce it. Venetian town actually, because Venice owned this area for a while. So Greek, Venetian, a lot of mixing happened in this area. Oh, and there's like a little castle island there. It's actually an island. And so this is the Mediterranean Sea, not the Aegean Sea. Yay. A lot of street cats here too. These ones are gentler ones. The ones in Athens were wild, much more aggressive and feral. And the ones here are tamer, and I think the restaurants and other people take care of them because they're better. They look good. Oh, they're so. Okay, we're going to this restaurant, Taberna. The red sign is showing us where it is. Siras. Let's see if we can find it. Hey, it looks like no one's there. I don't know. Let's see if we're less wet. It's closed. It's only in the evenings. And closed Tuesday. So, you know, Athens Survival Guide. I'm getting a lot of information from there, but no addresses of places of the restaurants, and you know, these little details are kind of left out. So sometimes it's quite tough. You need to put the addresses of the restaurants in, like when you do guides and stuff, put the addresses of the places in so that people can find them on Google Maps. A lot of those restaurants aren't, the Google Maps isn't able to find them, especially the ones that are outside of cities, of towns. And yeah, like when they open, when they close and stuff, those kind of things, a phone number, something like that, you know? Sometimes those kind of details are actually important. Anyways, we're on the Mediterranean Sea, but you know, during the hours of like 11 to 5, you really can't do anything. It's hard to go outside because it's very hot and you're under the hot sun. So during these times, it's siesta and a lot of things are closed as well. So it's better to plan your day so that you do stuff in the morning and then you do some stuff at night, but you have to take a siesta in the middle. So yeah, actually we're just here for a few more days and it's really not enough time to do all the things that we want to do. Okay, we came back. This is like the center kind of it looks like Venice a bit, but this is the center of Nafplio. We came back this way and we're looking for the restaurant Okipos. Okipos? Very cute. Yeah, this is a very cute place. It looks a bit Venetian, but without the canals. For sure. We're in Italy. We're back in Italy. But there's wind here and shade, so it's not so hot. Oh, no, I was looking for a hat for Enrico actually because he doesn't have one. È molto carino. Up there is old Venetian fortress, Palamidi Castle.
What is the name of the restaurant?
Okipos. Okipos.
Oh, Kikos.
Kipos. With a P. Okipos. Sorry. Okay. Enrico says we found it, that this is it, but I don't read Greek, and so maybe this is Okipos. only maybe.
Now you know because my wife loves Google Maps, even if you're...
When it's hot, we just eat a lot of salads, cold things. It's tzatziki. And then, I mean, some people eat meat and stuff, but it's so hot, you know? I also ordered the vine leaves. Try to see what happens inside. Ah, it's meat inside.
No.
Meat and rice. Huh. Maybe this is the main square or the biggest square. I'm not sure. Up there is the fortress, part of it.